How to clear or erase what your device has learned under the Android System Intelligence feature. This is for the Infinix Hot 30 smartphone. I'll show you where to go to do this and how to clear it out. And of course, this cannot be undone, all right? When you're ready to find this feature here, you'll want to go into the main settings of your Infinix phone here. Go into the settings there. And if you use the search settings, you will not be able to find it, okay? You won't find it. Even if you do this here, it won't take you to it, and it will show some sort of app thing here, the app info section here, but it will not take you to where you really want to go. So what I would recommend is going into the privacy section. So you'll go down here, privacy, and you're gonna see this section right here. You're gonna see all this here. And while you're here, go to where it says more, this right there, go to more. And under the more section, you'll see all this. Just go down until you see Android System Intelligence. So tap on that. And basically it's your device learning feature, okay? So you got the keyboard here, on device recognition here. And when you wanna clear everything out, you can choose to do this for the last hour, last 24 hours, or all time. But once you do this, just so you know, it's going to be gone and it won't be undone unless you have your phone run through certain features and settings and steps or whatever to get these lost data back. Okay, but I'll just show you how it looks when you clear it out here, and that's that. Okay, so like and sub.